Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is dedicated to a very special camera to me. It's special because it's my first analog camera. It's the Zenit TTL. So let's talk about it. So let me tell you a story how I got this camera. We were with my wife in Wrocław in Poland to her grandfather's house, and her grandfather passed away 2 years ago. So we were just searching for things, what can we keep, what can we throw. So I opened one drawer and instantly I saw this camera. Of course, I took it and her brother-in-law told me, you can take it. But I was like, no, I cannot, it's too precious. But he insisted, and guys, I took it, so I have it on my channel. Right now I'm testing it, I'm learning analog photography, and you will see the results in a minute. Let me guys know what you think, if you like the results, if you like the camera, if you have the camera, and hopefully there will be more content of it. And just to let you know guys, I'm also excited because I did this DIY analog holder stand. So I will scan my negatives, and this is like a 3D holder. I just found the design online, so I'll post it in the description below. You can download it and then send it to a printing studio so you can have the same. Yeah, and I'm very excited about this. I'm looking forward to do analog photography and learn more about it, and of course post it here so you can see it and we can learn together. So guys, yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Continue creating, keep going, and see you next time.